treats his fucking audience like a piece of shit. No respect. And he's still a fucking king. Wait till someone gets up there and treats people the way they want to be treated, with respect, speaking logically and not saying the F-bomb every other third word. Starting a new YouTube channel. All right, boys, I think I've had enough. Taking a break.
All right.
I've been rambling on. Let's play Ramble On. Ramble on.
Where'd you go? Wow.
I missed that one. I'm crying.
Yo, do you see how I do the buy and replace? You see? Watch. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, and I go 1, 2, 3, and I just put them in and replace what I put in so I have the same number as it's running the whole time. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Good job, boss.
Do that every time as they're running. You put in 3, and you put it, and then you hit market 3 times until it stops going your direction, and you hit the whole entire run and made 7 times more than you would have. You understand? Good. Yes, sir.